So today is my first day of work as an iOS developer. And I'm just situated right outside my office. And I thought before starting work, I'll talk about why I decided to take up an iOS developer job. It all started with a dream that came out of a forum post actually. So about 4 or 3 years back, it was very random, but I came across a forum post in Quora. So basically the question asked was, which will be the next big thing in tech? And one guy, he commented talking about AR, VR, the future, and how it could go that way. And he talked about Apple AR specifically, why that could be the next big thing given Apple's history. And just based on that comment itself, I don't know if you can relate, but just based on the comment, you get excited because it kind of drives your imagination wild and you think, oh, that could be true, yeah. But to be honest, it's quite silly basing judgments on just based on a forum comment, which is what I did, to be completely honest. But after that, once I started diving into the details and researching it more, you kind of realize there's actually something to it. It's actually a good bet to make. So that's really what started my journey into learning iOS, to be dead honest, a forum post, nothing very sophisticated. And to put it in a nutshell, this whole journey of me learning iOS, which kind of ended up in taking up an iOS job, which I didn't really expect, all started based on this Apple AR dream. I have to talk about the end point, right? So the end goal is not to become an iOS developer. The end goal is to prepare for the time when Apple releases its headsets, to be able to create products for that. And to be able to create products for that Apple headset, obviously you need to be very familiar with the Apple ecosystem. And one of the best ways to do that in terms of creating products, in my opinion, is to become an iOS developer, because you get familiar with Swift and the whole nitty-bitties of building stuff for iOS in a professional environment. That was really my motivation for getting an iOS job. I honestly didn't realize that it would come out this way. Literally what started out as a curiosity from a comment in a Quora post turned into a very intense thought that I couldn't ignore, which led me to learn iOS, build iOS, do freelance work iOS for Apple AR, and even started a YouTube channel around it, and all of that culminated in me getting an iOS dev job now. No idea where this will lead to. It's just an open-ended question, which could only be closed with Apple releasing its headsets. And I didn't tell you, actually the place I work at, Apple's actually situated right next door. So is Amazon, Microsoft, and some other cool companies. So in theory, I could actually peek into those windows. I don't know if that's the Apple office, but I know it's near there. But in theory, I could actually peek into the windows of the Apple office and see if anyone's working on those long rumored glasses. I'll try that, but can't guarantee. Yeah, this is Cambridge, my new place, and I'm going to be working at this company in Cambridge. And it's a pretty cool place, to be honest. Cambridge, I've seen that there's a lot of talent around here, a lot of big companies, cool startups, biotech startups, a lot of them working around here. Obviously there's the Cambridge University, great place for hiring talent. So I'm excited for this new step in journey. So let's see where this ends up as. And I'll keep you posted with everything I learn, both in iOS and the journey to the Apple AR dream that this channel's about. So yeah, excited.